Imagine stepping on the scale tomorrow morning and realizing you are noticeably lighter than when you went to bed. For decades, the golden rule of weight loss has been a strict and rigid command. Do not consume anything after 8 p.m. We are told that nighttime calories simply sit in our stomachs, magically converting into stubborn belly fat while we dream. But modern nutritional biochemistry reveals a massive flaw in this outdated advice. Your body does not simply shut down when you close your eyes. In fact, deep sleep is the only time your body actively repairs tissues and, more importantly, oxidizes stored body fat at maximum capacity. But here is the contradiction. Going to bed completely fasted often spikes a stress hormone called cortisol, which acts like a padlock on your fat cells. What if, instead of starving your system before bed, you gave it a specific chemical key? A simple, science-backed bedtime drink that actually forces your metabolism to shift from storing fat to burning it while you sleep. If you want to decode the hidden mechanisms of your own body, hit the subscribe button right now. So, what exactly is this nighttime concoction, and why does it work when so many grueling crash diets fail? Tonight, we are going to explore a precise biological sequence triggered by a blend of 3 natural ingredients: organic chamomile extract, unpasteurized apple cider vinegar, and a pinch of Ceylon cinnamon. On their own, they seem like simple, everyday pantry items, but when combined and consumed exactly 30 minutes before your head hits the pillow, they create a perfect metabolic storm. Most people assume fat loss happens exclusively on the treadmill, sweating through miserable cardio sessions. But your body doesn't work like that. The treadmill simply creates the energy deficit, the actual breaking down and clearing of belly fat, the physical vanishing of lipid molecules from your waistline, happens almost entirely while you are unconscious. In this video, we will not just tell you to drink this mixture. We are going to shrink down and travel deep inside your bloodstream. We will track exactly what happens at minute 30, hour 3, and hour 6 of your sleep cycle. You will see firsthand how your liver, your brain, and your most stubborn visceral fat cells communicate in the dark. By the end, you will understand a secret biological rhythm that most people go their entire lives without discovering. But to understand the true magic of this drink, we first need to see what happens the exact moment it enters your stomach. The blood sugar flattening, you finish the drink. The warm liquid travels down your esophagus and settles into your stomach. Instantly, the first active ingredient goes to work: the potent acetic acid from the apple cider vinegar. Throughout the day, your blood sugar acts like a volatile stock market, spiking sharply after meals and crashing hours later. If you eat a late dinner or give in to a nighttime snack, your blood sugar remains elevated as you get into bed. But here's what most people don't realize. As long as your blood sugar is high, your body physically cannot burn fat. It is biologically and chemically impossible. The acetic acid enters your bloodstream and acts like a highly efficient traffic cop at a chaotic intersection. It slows down the digestion of any remaining carbohydrates in your stomach and shuttles stray glucose directly into your muscle tissues, instead of letting it roam free in your blood. Suddenly, the chaotic metabolic spikes flatten out. The Ceylon cinnamon acts as an amplifier to the vinegar, mimicking the effects of your own natural metabolic hormones to clear the blood sugar even faster. Your internal environment becomes calm, incredibly stable, and perfectly primed for the next phase. This sudden, controlled drop in blood sugar triggers a quiet alarm inside your pancreas, leading us directly to the most critical metabolic shift of the night: the insulin drop. As you drift into the early stages of light sleep, your pancreas detects the flattened blood sugar curve and makes a decisive biological choice. It completely stops pumping out insulin. Insulin is often casually referred to as the fat storage hormone, but it is much better understood as a strict prison guard. Imagine your stubborn belly fat cells as high-security vaults holding on to tightly packed stored energy. As long as the insulin guard is actively pacing back and forth outside the vault, the heavy doors stay locked. Absolutely no fat can leave, period. This is where it gets interesting. Because the nighttime drink successfully stabilized your circulating glucose, your insulin drops to its absolute lowest baseline of the entire day. The vigilant guard finally falls asleep. For the first time in hours, the heavy steel doors of your visceral fat cells are completely unlocked. However, an unlocked door doesn't mean the fat just walks out on its own. It needs a compelling reason to leave the cell. It needs a specific chemical command from the brain, and that powerful command can only be issued in a very specific, deeply unconscious state: the deep sleep induction. Now we are moving into hour 2. You are sleeping deeply, but your brain is highly active. Enter the chamomile extract. Chamomile isn't just soothing flavored water. It contains an incredibly potent, naturally occurring antioxidant called apigenin. Apigenin seamlessly crosses the blood-brain barrier and binds to very specific receptors in your brain. The exact same biological receptors targeted by heavy prescription anti-anxiety medications, but completely without the toxic, groggy side effects. But your body doesn't work like a simple on and off switch. It requires a cascading chemical reaction. Apigenin triggers a massive release of GABA, a calming neurotransmitter that acts like a heavy, weighted blanket over your entire nervous system. Your heart rate drops to its resting baseline. Your breathing slows down. The stress hormone cortisol, which usually forces your body to cling aggressively to belly fat, completely evaporates from your bloodstream. Think of your daytime nervous system as a loud, chaotic, brightly lit factory floor. Apigenin calmly walks over to the main electrical breaker and pulls the switch. The noise stops, the heavy machines power down. You seamlessly enter the holy grail of physical restoration, slow-wave deep sleep. And it is exactly in this silent, paralyzed, deep sleep state that the real metabolic magic finally begins. The somatotropin surge. It is roughly 3 o'clock a.m. Your physical body is temporarily paralyzed in the depths of slow-wave sleep. The fat cell vaults are unlocked, cortisol is nowhere to be found, and your brain is utterly calm. Now, pay close attention to this next part, because it dictates whether you wake up looking leaner or feeling heavier. Because the drink helped you reach slow-wave sleep much faster and deeper than usual, your pituitary gland, a tiny, pea-sized structure resting at the very base of your brain, releases a massive, concentrated pulse of somatotropin. You likely know this hormone by its common name, human growth hormone, or HGH. HGH is the ultimate anti-aging, muscle-preserving, fat-incinerating compound known to human biology. In the optimal presence of extremely low insulin, HGH acts like a highly trained night shift cleanup crew. It travels straight into your visceral fat, the dangerous, inflammatory belly fat wrapped tightly around your organs. The HGH cleanup crew opens the unlocked vaults, aggressively scoops up the stored lipid molecules, and forcefully throws them straight into the bloodstream. Your fat cells are now physically deflating and shrinking. The liberated triglycerides are freely floating in your blood, waiting to be destroyed. But they aren't completely gone yet. They still need to be transported to the furnace. Autophagy and oxidation. The sun is just beginning to rise, but you are still asleep. Your bloodstream is now actively carrying the newly liberated belly fat, transporting it directly to your liver for processing. Your liver is the central power plant of your entire body. Because the apple cider vinegar and cinnamon have kept your insulin perfectly flat all night long, the liver has absolutely no sugar to burn for early morning fuel. So, it has no other choice. It starts aggressively taking in the floating belly fat and throwing it straight into the cellular furnace. But here is a truth that confuses even seasoned fitness experts. When you burn fat, where does it actually go? It doesn't just melt into thin air or turn into pure heat. Inside the liver's mitochondria, the complex fat molecules are physically broken apart. The carbon atoms from the fat strictly combine with the oxygen you breathe in. You are quite literally exhaling your belly fat out into the room as carbon dioxide. With every slow, deep breath you take against your pillow, the microscopic remainder is naturally turned into water, which mixes harmlessly into your bladder. This brilliant biological process, combined with a deep cellular cleanup sequence known as autophagy, sweeps aggressively through your system, repairing damaged cells and burning away cellular waste. The factory is meticulously clean, the fat vaults are empty, and the central power plant is running beautifully on pure, stored fat. But what happens when the morning alarm clock finally rings? You open your eyes. It has been exactly 8 hours. You stretch, throw off the heavy covers, and head straight to the bathroom. Let's quickly summarize what just fundamentally changed inside your body. By simply drinking a precise blend of chamomile, apple cider vinegar, and cinnamon, you didn't just hydrate yourself. You strategically hijacked your own biology. You smoothed out the chaotic blood sugar traffic, put the strict insulin prison guard to sleep, lowered the blaring cortisol alarm, and triggered a massive flood of human growth hormone. You spent the last 4 hours systematically emptying the fat vaults in your belly, using your liver as a high-powered furnace, and silently exhaling the waste right into the air of your bedroom. You quite literally shrank your fat cells while doing absolutely nothing but dreaming. This is the hidden reality of human metabolism. True, sustainable weight loss isn't just about punishing yourself at the gym for hours or starving yourself during the day. It is about deeply understanding the chemical signals your body receives. Sleep is not a passive, lazy state of rest. It is an active, demanding biological process that you can effortlessly control. When you finally align your nighttime habits with your endocrine system, the results start to feel almost like cheating. but your early morning choices can easily ruin everything you just accomplished overnight. Tomorrow morning, you have a crucial decision to make. What is the very first thing you put into your mouth? If you eat the standard healthy American breakfast, you will immediately shut down the fat-burning furnace and slam the vault doors tightly shut. In our next video, we will reveal the absolute worst breakfast foods for your morning metabolism, and why the healthy bowl of oatmeal you are eating every day is secretly forcing your body to store fat. You won't want to miss it.